Hi there, IGTV. So today I am working on finalizing a master bathroom, and I wanted to go through and show you how to measure for tile. So this piece right here is the shower layout. We are going to be using this lovely glass and natural stone mosaic tile. It is a 5/8 inch random pattern, pretty popular, pretty classic with the travertine tile and the glass. As this 6-inch strip here below and above the recessed shower shelf, and we're going to use a linear shower drain from Schluter and a curb. So to start off with, the shower floor is going to be 33 by 60. The shower walls 1, 2, and 3 are going to be 33 by 96, 60 by 96, and 33 by 96. Now when you're figuring the size of the tile, you're going to take 33 by 60, divide that by 144, and you're going to have 3.75 for square feet for the shower floor. So then you repeat for the shower walls. So the shower walls and the shower floor are all of the same tile. So we're going to add up all of the square footage that we've come up with so far, and then we are going to add our overage and breakage, which typically, if it's a standard lay, is 10%. So now we have our square footage plus our 10% overage. Now the tile. So we're going to be using these tile. The accent tile is going to be this piece here, and then this will be the wall and floor tile. So then usually what I do, this is the beige mix random. So then what I do is I'm doing the 5/8 by 5/8 field tile here, Noche beige mix, highlight that, and then down here there's 11 pieces per carton, and this is the retail price per sheet. Down here is the size, how many pieces are in the carton, square feet per carton, and square feet per sheet. So we're going to take this information and figure out on here how many square feet we need for these 2 strips of accent tile. So just like on the floor tile, we need to add 10% for cutting, breakage, overage, those kinds of things. So then we have 11.55 square feet. Now if you remember on this sheet here, there's 0.98 square feet per sheet. So what we need to do is take this 11.55 and divide that by 0.98, because we can't buy a partial sheet of tile. So that gives me 11.78 sheets. So on my order, I need to order 12 sheets. So I can also take 12 times 0.98 For my program, I would put in for pricing 11.6 square feet for pricing. So then we do that same thing over here. So again, this is our floor tile that we're going to be using, floor and wall tile. This is a tile from Ranyo. It is the Vesta Noche. So again, excuse me, here is the piece of paper printed off from online. We're using the 13 by 13, the Noche. And this is what we have, $4.31 a square foot, 1.19 square feet per tile. So over here we have 107.525 square feet. So we need to divide that by 1.19 to know how many actual pieces we need. So as I divide that out, we have 90.35, so we're going to go with 91 pieces. And that's all there is to it. We have our floor tile, our wall tile, our accent tile. I will need to figure out the curb tile. I don't use Bullnose tile, I use the Schluter trim pieces, which are something like these pieces. So the tile will fit in, this isn't the right size, but it'll fit in like this, and it will be a nice finished edge for the curb. Any troubles measuring for your tile, let me know. I'd love to help you.